How to delete payment method on DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can delete payment method on DoorDash. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. To delete your payment method on DoorDash, just open your browser and go to DoorDash.com and make sure that you're also signed into your account. On the bottom left, you can see the account option. Just go to the account option, and when you get a pop-up menu, scroll down until you see the option called payment and select it. Over here under payment methods, you'll be able to see a list of payment methods that you have. So if you do want to remove one, you'll also find the option to remove them. However, if you have got any type of subscription that is linked to that payment method on DoorDash, then in that case, you won't be able to cancel it unless you add another payment method and remove the older one. But to give you an idea, this is how you can remove or delete your payment method on DoorDash. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.